Kiss me every time.
Welcome back to our practical hub channel. Let's come to our data structure laboratory course for second year first semester of CSE. Let's deal with the second problem in the first exercise. The first question is to write a recursive program for calculation of factorial of an integer. Means we have to find the factorial of a given integer. First of all, how to find the factorial of an integer? For this, the factorial of a number can be obtained by multiplying all the possible positive integers equal to the given number. Okay, let's write program for this question. For this purpose, I am using code blocks. Code blocks is an integrated developer environment where you can have a text editor and you can easily compile and run your programs using code blocks. Okay, let's write program by including a standard header file which is stdio.h is a standard input and output header file. Now this is the prototype section. Here you have to include all the prototypes which are going to happen after the main. In our program we are going to have fact as a subprogram which takes integer as an argument and it should terminate with a semicolon. Now coming to our main, void main. Inside the main we have to declare local variables. Now here I am declaring two local variables of type int for storing value and for storing the results. Now I am going to prompt the user to enter a number whose factorial he want to find. Now scan the number using the standard input function scanner. Since we are using integer type, we have to use %d as a code converter and its value will be stored inside n. Now we have the number whose factorial we want to find, so call the fact function which we pass n as an argument and the result of it will be stored inside R. Now after this call, R contains the factorial of n. Now we're gonna print R by using our printf statement. %d factorial is here first %d should be replaced with n and the second %d should be replaced with R and with a semicolon. Now our main function is completed. Let's go to our fact function. Int of its fact return type is int and we pass integer an argument, so int and declare a name to it, and inside the factorial our base condition for this function is if the factorial of a number, if the entered number is 0 or entered number is 1, then the factorial is itself. We know that 0 factorial is 1 and 1 factorial is 1. So return n 1. Otherwise, other than 0 and 1, if it is the number is 2, 3 and so on, we have to find the factorial for it. So write the logic of it as return n star fact of n minus 1. This function calls the fact recursively and after it reaches the base condition, 1 is returned to it and finally it will return to the main function. Now our logic is completed. Let's save the function before compiling it. Now build the function. Now the program is building. Yes, we have no errors and no warnings, so we can compile the program using the compile command. In the console screen we can see the enter the number. Now I want to find the factorial of 6, so I will enter 6. Yes, the sixth factorial of 6 is 720.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to our channel for getting more videos.